Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best disc brake conversion kit is probably one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your classic car or truck, offering a significant boost in stopping power, improved heat dissipation, and a more responsive pedal feel compared to older drum brake systems. If you're looking to enhance the safety and performance of your vintage vehicle, a well-chosen disc brake conversion kit can transform your driving experience, making every journey more secure and enjoyable. This upgrade is essential for anyone who values both the aesthetics of a classic ride and the modern performance standards we expect today. Number 5. SuperATV Front Disc Brake Conversion Kit for Honda ATVs. Tired of unreliable drum brakes? Upgrade to our high-performance disc brake conversion kit. It offers significantly enhanced stopping power and reliability for your Honda utility vehicle. Get back on the trail faster with an easy installation process. This kit requires no welding or modifications to your quad, using only simple hand tools and clear instructions. Experience extended brake life and superior performance. Our kit is equipped with high-quality sintered bronze pads, built to last through every ride. Achieve ultimate stopping power without breaking the bank. This kit is an affordable yet effective upgrade for your machine. For maximum safety and control, pair this front disc brake kit with our rear kit. Together, they will maximize your machine's braking capabilities. Designed to fit a range of Honda Foreman, Rancher, Rubicon, Rincon, and 4Trax models. Please check fitment to ensure compatibility with your specific ATV. What we like. Tired of unreliable drum brakes on your Honda ATV? This kit offers a straightforward upgrade with no welding or modifications required, making installation a breeze. If you're looking for enhanced stopping power and durability for your Foreman, Rancher, Rubicon, Rincon, or 4Trax, this is the perfect solution. Its sintered bronze pads ensure longevity, providing confidence on any trail. What people say. The kit is a direct bolt-on and requires no fabrication. The rotors are pre-slotted and cross-drilled for better cooling and performance. The calipers are made from billet aluminum for strength and lightweight. Number 4. FC1002 E181 Power Conversion Kit. Introducing the FC1002 E181 Power Conversion Kit. This kit allows you to upgrade your vehicle's braking system from drum to disc brakes, enhancing safety and reliability. Get everything you need for a seamless conversion. This kit includes all components required to mount single-piston disc brakes directly to your vehicle's control arms. We use only new, high-quality parts in this kit. Each component is precision machined to ensure optimal performance and durability for your peace of mind. Experience the difference that disc brakes make. They offer improved stopping power and greater reliability compared to traditional drum brakes. Designed for straightforward installation, this kit makes upgrading your vehicle's braking system easier than ever. Enjoy a more responsive and secure driving experience. What we like. Seeking to improve your vehicle's braking performance? This kit provides all the necessary new, high-quality components to convert your drum brakes to reliable disc brakes. If you're aiming for increased safety and consistent stopping power with single-piston calipers, this is an excellent choice for your project. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary components for a straightforward installation, making it a convenient option for upgrading your vehicle's braking system. The disc brake conversion kit provides significantly improved stopping power compared to drum brakes, enhancing overall vehicle safety and performance. High-quality materials are used in the construction of this kit, ensuring durability and reliable performance even under demanding conditions. Number 3. FC1002 FBB2 Power Conversion Kit. Introducing the FC1002 FBB2 Power Conversion Kit. Enhance your vehicle's safety, reliability, and performance with a simple upgrade. Easily convert your existing drum brakes to the superior stopping power of disc brakes. This kit provides everything you need for a seamless installation. Mount single-piston disc brakes directly to your vehicle's control arms. All necessary components are included for a straightforward setup. We use only new, high-quality parts in this kit. Each component is precision machined for optimal performance and durability. Enjoy the confidence that comes with improved braking. This conversion ensures a safer and more responsive driving experience. What we like. Want to upgrade your classic vehicle's braking system? This conversion kit offers the safety and performance of disc brakes, featuring a stylish chrome booster and a convenient side mount design. If you appreciate both enhanced functionality and a clean aesthetic for your build, this kit is a great option. What people say. The kit includes all necessary components for a straightforward installation, making it a convenient option for upgrading your vehicle's braking system. The rotors are precisely machined, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance with the included calipers. This attention to detail in manufacturing contributes to reliable stopping power. The brake pads provided offer excellent stopping power and good durability, even under demanding driving conditions. They are designed to work seamlessly with the rotors and calipers for a balanced braking system. Number 2. Speedway Motors Universal Ford 9 Rear-End Disc Brake Conversion Kit. Transform your classic Ford 9-inch rear end from drum to disc brakes. Experience significantly improved stopping power and modern performance. Designed for easy installation, it includes brackets and flanges for 3 popular 9-inch rear end sizes. This ensures a versatile fit for your specific application. Equipped with 11-inch vented, drilled, and slotted cast iron rotors. They are dual drilled to accommodate common stud sizes for enhanced braking. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need. You'll find black single-piston calipers, stainless steel brake hoses, e-brake cables, and all necessary mounting hardware. Please note that 15-inch or larger wheels are required for proper fitment. Ensure your axle flange diameter is 6 to 1/4 inches or smaller, or be prepared for minor machining. What we like. Looking to modernize the stopping power of your classic Ford 9-inch rear end? This kit provides everything needed for a complete disc brake upgrade, including high-performance drilled and slotted rotors. If you have a pre-1980 Ford passenger car and want improved braking with versatile fitment options for various 9-inch rear-end sizes, this is the kit for you. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary components for a complete brake upgrade. Installation was straightforward, and the new brakes provide significantly improved stopping power. The quality of the materials used in the kit is excellent, ensuring durability and reliable performance. Number 1. Right Stuff Detailing AFXRD07 Camaro Firebird Rear Disc Brake Conversion Kit. Transform your 1975 to 1981 Camaro or Firebird with a premium rear disc brake conversion. Experience enhanced stopping power and a modern feel. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a seamless rear disc brake upgrade. It's designed specifically for your GMF body vehicle. Enjoy the convenience of a built-in parking brake system. This feature ensures reliable parking and adds to the overall functionality of your upgrade. The kit comes complete with staggered shocks, optimizing your vehicle's suspension performance. This ensures a balanced and controlled ride. Crafted by Right Stuff Detailing, this system, PNAFXRD07, offers superior quality and a perfect fit. It's the ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking the best. Maintain the classic appeal of your car while significantly improving its braking capabilities. This conversion provides both safety and performance. What we like. Are you restoring or upgrading a 1975 to 1981 GMF body Camaro or Firebird? This rear disc brake conversion kit is specifically designed for your vehicle, offering a significant improvement in stopping power and including a crucial parking brake function. If you're aiming for authentic performance and safety enhancements for your classic muscle car, this kit is an ideal fit. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary components for a complete brake upgrade. Installation was straightforward, and the instructions were clear and easy to follow. The new brakes provide significantly improved stopping power and better modulation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.